Get out of here!
Get out of here! Get out of here!
And get out of here.
Boys, get out of here!
Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here. Want to get out of here?
Come on. Let's get out of here.
It's time for us to get out of here.
I said get out of here!
Get out of here. Get to that tree line.
She actually talked to me, man.
Get out of here.
What? Finn, get out of here! No! Get out of here! Just get out of here!
I can't stand it anymore. I've got to get out of here.
I'm not kidding. Get out of here. We gotta get out of here. Stay with me.
How can I get out of here?
You can't.
You think you can handle that?
Get out of here.
Get out of here! My weapon will stop the time!
Come on! Let's get out of here! We gotta get out of here!
We should get out of here. Now.
Really?
Please.
Amy? What are you doing? Get out of here!
This will just take a sec.
Come on, get out of here. The world's waiting for you, kid.
Let's get out of here. Let's just get out of here. Just for a minute, can we? Listen, Rose. You're gonna get out of here. You're gonna go on